buddies, happy Friendship Day. This is Harsha, welcome back to Capers Vet Tech. This video is going to be different. Let's go.
Two very boring minutes later.
So we are entering now. This location is a small animal shelter. It's one of our known uncle's place. He's retired and taking care of these and is very interested in animal farming. So this duck is called the Pekin or the white Pekin. It's actually an American breed of a domestic duck. It's very friendly, same like dogs. On Friendship Day, you can see two friends are playing together. Colorful birds and two doves. Oh, there's only one. I guess the other one is flying somewhere around here.
Give us some privacy, man. Please. Buddy, tell him to leave.
I don't care.
This is the main shelter of the ducks. To protect us from them attacking, they have wrapped the boundaries with copper wire. I don't know the breed of this grayish white duck with a matte black beak. These are green oranges, generally called kamsai. I think they are used only for juice, sometimes maybe for eating. I'm not sure. Finally, cute little rabbits. They have red eyes. Rabbits with red eyes are called New Zealand white breeds. This breed has red eyes because they have albinism. It means they have no pigmentation in their eyes, which further means they are genetically different when compared to rabbits. They are very sensitive to humans and even sunlight, so we have to take good care of them.
I just don't like this food.
I think these are sugarcane crops. I'm not sure. Beautiful garden with swings. Will you be scared if they swing by themselves during night time? Comment below your thoughts and share if you have experienced anything before. I'm wearing only the surgical mask because I am vaccinated, like both the doses. If you are not vaccinated, like only one dose is completed, wear two masks, two layered masks. Once in a month we visit this farmland, just to have some family time. We just come around here in the morning and have breakfast and just relax. You can see it's very refreshing. Frequently planning these kind of small family trips also help you in reviving the body and strengthening your mind. So just try it out if you have some leisure time. And share your experience in the comment section, or you can also DM me on Instagram or Twitter. All my social media handles are in the description below. This is a partition between the two lands, a small canal. It belongs to the government and not the landowners. You can see various plants. This is a curry leaf plant, coconut trees and some other plants which I am not aware of. And you can also see some flowering plants. This is the main water supply for the whole farmland. It uses underground water and is directly dug and laid under the land. And you can also see this is the mango tree. So the electricity is supplied all the way from the storeroom, crossing all these trees directly to the motor, and none of them are earth. So you should really be careful with them. This water is flowing with a tremendous force. So this pipe again comes out on the other side of the farm. I'll show you in a few minutes. So this land is empty with no crops because this year due to COVID, not even a single crop was planted and harvested. So there is no greenery. It's very hot right now, around 40 degrees Celsius, but there was a lot of wind whooshing as you can hear the sound. I really don't know what I was trying to do, but I think I was trying for a cinematic shot and finally reached a barrier. Oh, it's actually a rose plant, a cute pink rose plant. Again, I started the shot and slowly reached another barrier. This time it's a beautiful red rose plant. Guess what surface it is? I'll give you 5 seconds. It's a coconut tree trunk. So now I'm going to the other end of the farm. It's a very long way and there's one opening for the pipe here. This is the third opening of the pipe. You can see a small water passage is created directly into the roots for the banana tree, and that's a lemon tree. Oh, is this a butterfly? No, it's just some plastic piece stuck over there. Going to show you guys something which even I am watching for the first time. Get ready, buddies. It's a shedded skin layer of a snake. I just got to know it's a king cobra skin, freshly shedded a few hours back. This process of shedding skin is called ecdysis. You can see it's very long. The left side ones are some sac threads, the right side one is the main skin. So this canal is its main habitat. He is trying to get some mangoes first. Let's see how much time he takes. Finally he found a mango and plucked it. So now we are heading back. You can see such a beautiful street, but it's beautiful only at daytimes. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. If you want more videos like this, just comment below. Have a safe friendship day with your friends. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.